So I'm on the precipice of YouTube monetization. As I'm filming this video right now, taking a walk, I have 809 subscribers and nearly 4,000 view hours. So, why am I doing this? Well, many years ago I tried to do a little bit of a YouTube channel featuring family fun stuff like camping and fishing back when I had little kids. But something happened in between there that drastically changed my life and our family's lives. That's that I almost died from liver failure and I had to get a liver transplant. So back then when I was shooting videos, I really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to make a good video. Maybe you can argue, I still don't. But I just filmed random stuff and put it out there and didn't really get many views. And that's okay. At least I have those fun moments documented and archived. So why am I doing a channel now? Well, now that I have my life back, I got a second chance in life. That's why my channel is called Rudie 2.0. And now that I'm sober and I'm not drinking, I need things to keep my brain active and busy. So I thought YouTube would be a good way. In a way, therapy for myself. Also helping others, sharing my experiences. Good hobby. And I set a goal on beginning of June 2025. Try to get monetized this year. So since then, I've gotten up to 809 subscribers. It's actually working. I don't really have a niche. I guess, everybody says get a niche, right? I don't have a gimbal either. You can tell I'm wobbling. But I don't have a niche. I guess the niche is me. In my journey, my videos are often how-to videos. I had one on exposing the scams of the pool store and showing people how to keep their pool clear with common household chemicals, and that one blew up and went viral. But I'm not just a pool guy. That's not my niche. I do gardening, cooking, barbecuing, outdoor activities, everything. And so that's going to be my channel. Basically, sharing the knowledge I learned with people to help them, talking about my past experiences through liver failure and transplant, help those folks, and just to document things going on in my life. Also, among many other things I'm working on is my weight. I am too fat right now. Coming out of transplant, I was super hungry and I ate and ate until I ballooned up to near 300 pounds. So that's why I'm walking right now. I want to start losing weight. So I will be documenting what I do for exercise and what I'm eating and my diet and my weight loss. As of now, end of July 2025, I'm starting a new journey for weight loss. I guess the hardest part for me is, now that I'm sober, sugar is very addictive to me, and I love sweets. So I gotta knock that crap out, and I gotta incorporate some exercise. But my liver transplant doctor told me primarily the weight is from food intake. So I'll be working on that. So come along with me on this journey. I'll share some neat things that I've learned, some hacks, some how-tos, how to cook well, how to garden, how to raise boys, how to be a good dad, how to live life to the fullest. My second chance, my second life is right now. Gosh, I got a lot to share. I've been very, 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 very close to death already once. And I came all the way back. So hopefully this can inspire somebody as well. All right. check out my other videos, subscribe, come along with me. Thanks.